this is the practical life area where you can see the zoology and botany, followed by geography, and history. Next, I'll show you the practical life shelves, which is all about spooning and pouring and transferring and dressing frames. Then we move on to language. As you can see, early language, it's all color coded. Pink series, in pink, blue series in blue, green series in green. This is a large movable alphabet. Then I have the math shelves, as you can see. Beautiful maths area, followed by my sensorial. And at the end here, I have the skip counting. So this is the overall view